Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c:, and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. cd space c:/. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c:/ boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c:/ boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.